Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix low or distorted call audio on the HMD ARC. First, take your phone and clean the earpiece grill at the bottom using a cloth or microfiber. You can also blow compressed air into it, but don't use any metallic tools. Then test with headphones to see if the sound is working through them. Also, disable Bluetooth in case you're connected to a device that's affecting audio volume. And try turning the volume up a bit. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.